Hello, my name is Gabriel, and this is my concept map on my informative speech for how AI is changing everyday life. So, my first topic is AI in daily tasks and how it impacts conveniency. So, we have virtual assistants already, like Siri, Alexa, we have Google too, and yeah, those are really helpful. They can answer questions that you might have or whatever. So, we already see that. Then we have smart home devices like thermostats, lights, and security systems. So thermostats, I think they already have AI as for thermostats like Nest, a Nest thermostat. I believe AI is used in that, so we already see that. And then lights and security systems. Some of those things you could probably see in movies where a security system is run by AI. But I think they could be in the future definitely used. AI could be definitely used in for security systems. Like fingerprint scanners, Face ID, whatever. I think yeah, AI has already been using that. And then we have calendar management. So you can use AI to like, hey AI, you put so and so on this date and remind me at so and so o'clock. So yeah, AI can be used to help with calendar management. And then my next topic will be AI in communication and work, how professional productivity can change. So like customer service chat. We already see this. You have a complaint on an app or whatever, so you talk to customer service, and usually it is an AI. And usually, if you want a human, you can say, "Oh, press one if you want to talk to a representative or whatever." So yeah, AI has already been used in customer service. And then language translation using AI. AI can be used to translate languages. If you have a friend, or if you finding friends and one friend speaks Spanish or whatever, you only speak English, well, you could use AI to help with that. And then we have AI to help with research and writing. AI has already been used to help with research, finding sources, how to cite, like maybe you don't know how to cite sources. Well, AI could help you to cite sources, like what's the correct format and everything. So now we have my next topic, which is how AI used in health and safety professions and well-being could rise. AI with medical use and diagnosis. So like, let's say you have a pain in your right shoulder. You can ask AI, like, oh, hey, AI, I have a pain in my right shoulder. What could it be? So it could tell you, oh, it could be this, this, or this. Right now it probably isn't the best to ask AI medical, like medical um, terms and whatever, but in the future, I think AI can be helpful. Then we have AI used to track health and data. Well, this has already been used on your phone or whatever app you could use to track steps or track how many calories are burned or whatever. AI has already been used in that. So yeah, that's good. And then AI used in emergency services responder as a responder. So like, when someone calls 911 and they say, "Hello, this is 911. What's your emergency?" It's a human, but maybe in the future it could be an AI. Maybe I don't think it would be faster, but maybe it might be more professional. So yeah, but right now I don't think AI could be used, but maybe in the future it can be. So now we have my next topic. My fourth topic is AI used in education and it can enhance learning. We have learning apps and tutoring programs by AI. AI could help make programs and make websites to help children and whoever needs to learn. AI feedback on work. We already see this. Sometimes AI, oh, here's my whatever. What do you think? You know, and it could tell you, or it could tell you, like, if a format is wrong, or whatever on a paper. It could say, oh, well, actually, this is that. So yeah. Then we have AI adaptive learning. So we kind of already see this on some tests, like maybe in like middle school or high school. You know, there's a certain test that we take, and as the questions go on, like, if question one you got it right, so question two will be harder. Or if you question one got it wrong, the question two would be easier. So it will have that adaptive learning, and it could know your skill level. Then my last topic is social considerations. How AI could affect every point. So like different AI models, sometimes they could be biased, sometimes they could be wrong, but sometimes one could be more helpful than the other. So we could consider that. Then privacy concerns. Yeah, the AI. Right now there is some privacy concerns with AI. So we can help. We there could be something to do that someone can make AI where no privacy gets lost or whatever. And then last one would be job displacement. If we use AI in work and education, it might take over some jobs and lose some jobs in the US, which might happen. So yeah, that we just gotta consider that too. And then uh the last thing, did I think making a concept map helped me? I do think so. I think making this concept map gives me an idea of what my informative speech would be. I think it like if I didn't make a concept map, I would be clueless on how to start my speech or whatever. But I think this really helped.